Hey everyone, this is Adin here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to register a domain name with Namecheap in few steps. Welcome back. As we all know, Namecheap is one of the oldest and most famous name registration service, which has been around for many years now. The portal features different services. It has started with domains, but now we can find out hosting services, WordPress services, email, apps, security, and transfer your domains from other registration service. It also comes with different offers from time to time, great prices, good service which comes at a very smart budget price compared to many other companies, privacy and security, and it also comes with a great customer service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. All the links will be available below the video, so we'll just head on to work, which is to create a domain name. Right, so at the beginning you have two options. As we said, you can transfer an already registered domain. So select the second tab and you proceed by entering the domain you want to transfer. Otherwise, you just hit register, which comes as a default. Next, in this box, type in the domain name you want to register. For example, english.com. Look up. This is one of the great features. You can instantly look for the address if they are available or not. So as you can see here, the domain name is already registered. It has been a very long time with this company. You can make an offer by clicking in here to this owner of the domain. Still have the contacts. Otherwise, you can still opt for any other options by exploring more. So here we have the XYZ for $3,000 for me. You need to change or adjust the domain name until you find a cheaper one or one which is already available. Let's check another one. So Englishes, great. Voila, as you can see, this one is already available and it comes at a very affordable normal price. Here also you can add other extension to your main domain. You can add the .net, the dev, org, and reserve it in order not to be taken by other users. Great, so all we need is just one domain. We'll register this one. All you need to do is click on add to cart. Well done. New options would appear. So the first one, if you need a web hosting service, it starts with $2.8, but later it will increase. The price will get higher, so we do not recommend hosting services from Namecheap. The same for WordPress hosting. You can just try for 0.0 cent. Later the price will get higher. Also, you can order an SSL certificate if you are planning to order a hosting service, so no need for this. It comes with hosting services. You can check the links below for our recommendation on the hosting service which give you free SSL forever. The VPN, this is a free trial. You can try, so I'll not select any of these options, just we register the domain name. Let's check the cart. As you can see here, your cart, view it. Well done, and here is the bill. Great, this is your domain, so please make sure that your domain is what you want to buy exactly. So if you misspell the domain, then you cannot correct it later or get any refund. So make sure that it is the exact domain you are looking for before proceeding or confirming any order. So here, as you can see, we have 1 year, but you can select from 1 till 10 years. And it comes at a reduced price, which is $8.88. And this is the cheapest price that you can find on the internet. compare it to the service and the security which comes with it. For example, we select 5 years, the privacy and uptime protection. That's one of the greatest features, which all you need to do is just enable it. You can also opt for to renew, and it is free, which has been paid in the past. Now it is free forever. In fact, this service is a privacy protection service that hides your personal info in the public whose database and keeps your data safe and helps to avoid any spams. These are the same features that we have seen before. Okay, so now we are good to go. In order to use the promo codes, then you need to log in first. So that's why you need to sign up. In order to get more sales, you can get discounts coupons from the company, or better use the coupon that will provide you in order to get further discount and save more money. This will redirect us to the login page if you are already a Namecheap user. So all you need is just to type in your login and password and carry on. Otherwise, you create a new account, and this is what you will be doing. So all you need is just to provide your details in here. So just create a username to be featured. Next, you need to have a passport, confirm it, first name, last name, and your official email that you will be using. And here you can opt for the newsletters and marketing in order to receive updates and discounts and any other information related to the company. Okay, so after filling in all your details, just hit create account and continue. Hit it. You can save your login information for future use. Well done. This will take you to a new page, which is the creation of your account before proceeding to the payment. Here you will be asked to provide your address, city, province, country, and phone number. Also, we have the option of fax number, and make sure at the end that the email you provide is correct and it is the valid email for contacting you if there are any issues or for the activation of the domain. So after filling in all the information, you just scroll down until you find continue button. Just click on it. A new window will appear. Here you have all the details about your registration of the domain name. The registration agency requires the owner's contact information for all domains registered, so that will be provided. You can just add a new contact or just use the default one. Next, we have the administrative contact, technical contact, and the last one, the billing contact. Here we'll be using the same contact for all of them. At the bottom in here, make sure that you check this box, which is to associate to this domain and enable at the time of purchase the Who's Guard privacy protection that we have talked before. This will protect your information from being leaked into the internet and being spammed, so make sure you check it. You can also save the configuration above as a default checkout settings for the coming checkouts. Now need to do the same action again, so just hit this box or find more details. You can use a custom DNS or use Namecheap DNS. If you have a hosting web service and you want to activate it directly after creating the domain, we'll be showing you how to do this in the coming tutorials. So we'll go back to the registration confirmation. Another cool feature in Namecheap is the possibility of changing your contacts and your information anytime you want, and this is a paid service in some other domain name registration companies. Great. All you need to do is hit continue. We'll apply Raqmedia coupon. You can get this promo code for free from the links below. So normally we pay $9. With this code, we'll check how much would we get. Well done. So we have a reduction of almost $2. becomes 7.10 a year. Next, make sure that you hit the auto renew feature for the domain, and the HostGuard is activated and renewed automatically. We said the HostGuard is free, but auto renew you need to pay.
www.raqmedia.com.
You can opt for automatically renew all of my eligible new services before expiration, so it will be paid from your PayPal account automatically. Also, we have account funds, your current balance. Great. So now, after filling in all the information, you can opt in for saving the configuration above to your default payment settings. Otherwise, you just uncheck it and hit continue to proceed with the payment and get your domain name registered properly. Great. So all we need to do now is just to hit continue. Now we go with the last step, which is the payment. So just pay now. Make sure you have the amount in your card and just hit pay now. And voila, congratulations, your domain is being generated and the services are being completed. So just be patient in order to confirm the order. And here is your dashboard and the success message. The next step you need to do is just to start using your domain. You can set your DNS to set up a WordPress website using their services, or redirect your domain if you want to redirect it to a new one or an old one. Our first step is to head on to manage, to start managing your domain. Here you can just click on the link in order to verify your email and the registration of the domain. Otherwise, you copy this link and paste it. So I'll click on the verification link. And voila, it has been successfully verified, and your site will be automatically active within 24 to 48 hours. Hope that was helpful. Keep tuned for our next tutorial, in which we show you how to link your new registered domain name to a DNS service and start using your website. And with this, we reach the end of this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below, and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. Cheers! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com